They're really enjoying this.
Where you going?
Come on, Scrappy dog.
I bet Scrappy's going to try that. Oh, he's so
Whoa! Whoa!
I don't think Coco's going to need a walk today. No.
Scrappy dog, isn't that fun?
Coco, do you want to see your coffee while you're waiting?
I'm too preoccupied.
That's more than I got offered.
Might be a bit dangerous to
I
hold.
don't think we'd ever get to me without being spilled.
Hello.
All I got here was lip.
Hello.
I'll have one later.
Hello.
Oh, pause.
A brief pause. Oh, you can have a tea or coffee now, sir.
Well, okay.
I will put the kettle on.
You had enough, you two? Good.
We're going to settle.